I want to improve my character drawing skills, so welcome to a new series where I'll pick a random person and convert their skin into a drawing. If you like to participate, leave a like and comment down below your Minecraft name. Because this is the first episode, I will start with my own new skin. If you like to see how I could transform myself into a Minecraft character, just check the link in my caption. Let's get started. I imported my skin into Photoshop to have a clear reference of it and also to pick the right color in need. When you have to draw a character, it's important to think about what pose you will have. I found this image on Google with a man holding a sword, and that will be our starting point. Once I had everything set up, I began drawing. For now, just ignore the sketches from around, they'll be used later. Because I'm drawing a Minecraft character, I used a 1x4 size for a head. This is why I divided the body line into 4 equal parts. I tried to create the character's pose as accurate as possible and convert it into a Minecraft style. After finishing the first sketch, I used the liquify tool to adjust the lines a little bit to obtain the result that I'm looking for. Next, I will do a more precise sketch, so I decrease the opacity of the previous sketch and starting drawing over it and adding more details. And now that this should be a Minecraft character, and the hands should be just some rectangles, but I think it will look better with a more human version of them. Yeah, the hands are looking so bad, but please don't hate me, everyone is bad at hands. When the second sketch was done, I moved to final outlines. In the same way, I just lowered the opacity and draw over the previous one on another layer. I added a bigger stroke all around to make the character pop up more. A pretty useful tip is to not delete the sketch from the back and just lower the opacity and clean it a little bit. This way you'll keep the main motion of the character. I added base colors for the character and started to add shadows. When you have enough shadows, it's time for the highlights. For more magic, it would be interesting to add 2 glowing points on both sides of a character. And this is the final result. You can rate it 1 to 10 in the comments. And don't forget to comment also your Minecraft name so you can have a chance to participate in this series. Moving back to the sketches from the beginning of the episode, I applied the same steps that I said in the first part of the video and made a close face illustration of myself. I had some problems matching the hair color, but I found a perfect match at the end. Once the character was done, I started adding different mouth variations, having at the end 8 different mouths. Why? Well, because you look so gorgeous, and I should say, whoa, so sexy. Do you know what gorgeous people are doing? Yes, you're right, we are living a like to this video. If you don't understand until now, the mouth variations are for animating me talking so I can make my content more interesting and engaging. And saying that, we reach the end of the video. Don't forget to comment with your Minecraft name so you can take part in my next video. I hope you enjoy watching, see you next time, peace!